and welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to talk about two things that I bought at, of all places, Walmart. First of all, I got this Activewow teeth whitening activated coconut charcoal powder. And it was, I think, $19.50. It's supposed to use a soft toothbrush, damp the brush, dip it in powder, gently brush teeth for 1 to 2 minutes, rinse thoroughly, use once or twice daily. It's chemical free, no peroxides, made in America, no strips or gels, easy to use. So this is like we've seen the craze about those black charcoal toothpaste that make their mouths all black, but yet their teeth come out shining. I also hear that you can get it on Amazon, but it's a little more pricey, about $25. But this is only a 20-gram little bottle, so this is itty bitty. So we're gonna open this up. Okay, this is the tub, but from reviews that I've seen and stuff that I've watched, I guess that this lasts you for quite a long time, because what you really do is just get your toothbrush and dip it in. So we're gonna try this today, and then also to follow up right next to where this was located, which was right by the toothpastes here at my local Walmart, all the way to the left, kind of by the Sensodyne and stuff. I got this Hello Naturally Friendly Activated Charcoal with Fresh Mint and Coconut Oil Fluoride-Free Whitening Toothpaste. Whitens naturally, removes plaque, freshens breath, and tastes awesome. No artificial sweeteners, no dyes, no SLS/sulfates. But they were right next to each other. This only cost about $4.97, I think, for this tube of toothpaste, and this is 4 ounces. So this should be, let's see, yeah, like a regular tube of toothpaste. Let's see if you can see. So yeah, this says directions: apply to your favorite bristles and brush like a boss. Look into the mirror, dig your black teeth, take a selfie. FYI, black paste may be messy, so spit responsibly and smile often. Also, for the purpose of this, I just bought some of the cheapy soft bristled Equate toothbrushes. From what other reviews that I've watched, this stuff can kind of leave a black coloring on your toothbrush. I'll probably use the same one for the charcoal and for the toothpaste. I guess that this counts as toothpaste. And then maybe the paste at night. I'm going to try to mix it up for you guys. That way, like, I'll do both at one time one day. Then I'll do morning and night one day. Then morning and night the other day. I'll mix it up that way you guys can kind of see what worked best for me, if it even works, if it doesn't work. And then we'll go from there. So I plan on doing this for 7 days. I also used another toothpaste that I had bought offline for whitening. This is the other toothpaste that I tried. It's AP24. It's by New Skin. This cost me $20 for 4 ounces, so same size as this. So we'll see which one works better. So on this supposedly is supposed to whiten your teeth and make them feel clean. My husband and I tried this for, I'm going to say 2 weeks, and we used this. What happened to me personally with this paste was I had whitish teeth, but I do drink diet soda, juices, blah, blah, blah. I don't drink coffee, but I do drink wine, you know, stuff like that. I felt like they were kind of losing their shine. And what happened was I started using this, and I had never had a problem with sensitivity or anything like that before. But when I started using this about, I'd say a week to a week and 2 days in, I'm a huge fan of ice water. So I was drinking ice water and I chewed on ice one day, and I felt such a burning sensation come all the way up through my cheek on both sides, on the bigger tooth over here. And I felt like that was from this, because I got to looking and doing some research, and on certain people, this AP24 toothpaste can really take your enamel off. So yes, if you want a toothpaste that makes your mouth, you brush, and this literally is the coolest thing because it makes, you know how you're like, you get done eating, that gritty feeling on your teeth. This toothpaste, you will not have that gritty feeling on your teeth all day long. I don't know what it is about it, but that part is awesome about this toothpaste. Also, it keeps your breath fresh. So I like that about this product. I really, really did. I felt like little by little the shine was going off of my teeth, which they say is that enamel. So I started getting kind of nervous and just went ahead and went back to Crest, which is what I use every day here in my house. So today, this says on the back, is certified organic. So for all those people that, you're an organic fiend or whatnot, this is certified organic. But I really like on the back how behind the ingredients, it tells you what that thing does, what that ingredient's for. And you don't see that often. You see just this weird word, like here's one, cocamidopropyl bedding.
What the heck is that?
Okay, that's a cleanser. Sodium cocoa glutamate, a cleanser. Coconut oil soothes and moisturizes. Potassium sorbate maintains stability. Stevia rubidania leaf extracts.
Excuse me, I know I'm probably beating up these words.
That's a sweetener. Let's see what they use for the whitening. Charcoal powder whitens, polishes, and cleans teeth, freshens breath. So yeah. And that's just, so that's cool. Good job, hello. All right, now the powder. Organic coconut charcoal, bentonite, sodium bicarbonate, coconut oil, mint flavor, and orange seed oil. Use a soft toothbrush, damp the brush, dip it in the powder, gently brush teeth for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly, use once or twice daily. Enjoy a whiter, healthier smile the natural way. So, excuse my looks today. It is so cold here in Oklahoma and we just ran out to the store. We're in one of my beautiful bathrooms. I'm still working on the farmhouse look back here. I love sales and so I get a lot of stuff when it's on sale. I hate paying full price and 99.9% of the time I don't pay full price. I would rather wait and for it to go, 50% off or whatnot.
So, yeah. Sorry. We're in the bathroom.
So let's try this. Use the purple. Open this up. But anyways, like I said, excuse my looks. I know that I look ratty as hell today, but so see, I'm trying to open it and it's already kind of made my hands. I've got like black on my hands. So yeah. Oh boy, fun, look. So let's see here. I don't think it's gonna stick. I love directions, so thank you. Damp the brush, okay. We have dampened the brush. And I think you just take it, and dip it in. Oh yeah, here goes nothing. 1 to 2 minutes, so that's happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, 2 minutes. All right, so here's my teeth now. Nothing special. All right, so here it goes. Ta-da! What do you think? I wish my husband was here. I can't take myself seriously. So, for taste, it's tasteless. I don't taste anything. For feeling, it's not like you'd feel, you'd think you'd be like sand. No, not at all. You feel kind of gritty or whatever. But do I feel like I've got dirt? No. I look like I've got dirt, but I don't feel like I've got dirt. So we got another minute and a half to go. And if you look, I've already seen my hand. So you better keep your mouth closed while you're brushing because I'm already making a huge mess. Well, got all my teeth. Okay, so we'll say that was a minute. I'm going to go ahead and spit. Okay, guys, so I just finished rinsing from the day one. And as you can see, they're shiny. Color-wise, I really don't see a difference today. A few days, maybe. I'm going to do it for 7 days. I would definitely say it does not have a flavor at all. So I don't even feel like I brushed my teeth. For me, I think that that would just be maybe something that I would do before brushing my teeth. What I would like to do, I know I had told you guys that I was going to do 1 day of just using the powder in the morning and then the evening using this, and then another day use them both together, morning both together at night. Since I'm doing just today of just using this, I'm going to go ahead and use my Crest and just go ahead and regularly brush my teeth because, like I said, it doesn't have any flavor at all. They feel clean. Oh yeah, they feel clean. Day 1, we'll go to day 2. I'll just go ahead and use my Crest tonight, and then tomorrow I'll post another video and we will use this morning and night. And yeah, we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe so you can see the other 6 days that I'll be posting. Leave me your comments if you've tried this, if it worked for you, if it didn't work for you. Also comment or message me on other things that you'd like to see me try, whether they be beauty products, home products, whatever you'd like me to try. If you have tried another activated charcoal toothpaste, you're like, oh my gosh, I can't live without it. If you could do that, please, like I said, subscribe and give a like to this video, thumbs up, and turn your notifications on, and you'll be able to see my next video.